In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your chat settings in a Roblox if you're unable to send messages on Xbox, PS5, PS4, or mobile. To get started, grab your phone and open the Roblox app. Once you're inside, tap on More, located in the bottom right corner, and navigate to the Settings menu. From there, scroll down and select the Settings option. Next, choose Privacy and Content Restrictions and a new page will open. Here, tap on Communication, then set Experience Chat to Everyone and also change the Direct Chat option to Everyone. After making those changes, go back and select Party, then adjust the settings to Connections for both options. Once you return to the previous screen, all changes will be saved automatically. This simple adjustment should fix your chat issues. I hope this tutorial makes things easier for you. If you found it helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.